Good day everyone, I'm RJP Pinero from Tanawan Cluster. I'm taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, section 3E18. Today, we are going to discuss about exploring local and global communication in multicultural settings. In this presentation, we will explore the intricacies of communication in multicultural settings. Multicultural communication is more than just exchanging words. It involves understanding diverse cultures and their distinct communicative practices. As our world becomes more interconnected, the importance of effectively navigating these cultural differences cannot be overstated. Before we go on, let us define what is multicultural communication. Multicultural communication refers to the interaction between individuals from different cultural backgrounds, incorporating not only language but also varying norms, values, and practices that shape communication styles. Multicultural communication goes beyond just speaking different languages. It involves understanding and navigating the diverse ways people express themselves based on their cultural backgrounds. Every culture has its own unique set of norms, values, and communication styles that influence how messages are conveyed and interpreted. For example, some cultures emphasize direct communication, where people express their thoughts and opinions openly. For example, the United States or Germany. Others rely on indirect communication, where meaning is often implied rather than explicitly stated, such as in Japan or China. Misunderstandings can arise if individuals are unaware of these differences. Why is multicultural communication important? In a world increasingly characterized by globalization, effective multicultural communication is essential for fostering collaboration, resolving conflicts, and building relationships across diverse cultural contexts. As globalization connects people from different cultural backgrounds, effective multicultural communication has become crucial for success in various fields, including business, education, and international relations. Understanding different communication styles helps individuals collaborate more effectively, reducing misunderstandings that can lead to conflict. For instance, in a global workplaces, teams often consist of members from multiple cultural backgrounds, each with unique ways of expressing ideas and responding to authority. Being culturally aware allows individuals to navigate these differences with respect, ensuring smooth interactions. Moreover, multicultural communication builds stronger relationships by promoting inclusivity, empathy, and mutual understanding, ultimately fostering cooperation and harmony in diverse settings. Now we are going to discuss about the barriers to effective communication. Identifying barriers is a crucial first step in enhancing multicultural communication. Language diversity can often serve as an immediate obstacle, but misunderstandings rooted in cultural contexts can be equally challenging. Additionally, stereotypes and biases can obscure our perceptions of others, further complicating the communication process. The first barrier is the language barrier. Language differences can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, which are often exacerbated by idiomatic expressions or jargon that may not translate across cultures. Second is the cultural misunderstandings. Cultural differences in norms and practices can lead to misconceptions and erroneous assumptions about intentions, significantly hindering effective communication. Next are the stereotypes and the biases. Preconceived notions about a specific culture can distort perceptions and affect communication strategies, potentially leading to discrimination and isolation. After we identify the barriers, we can now formulate some strategies to be effective in multicultural communication. Here are some strategies for local communication. Number 1 is tailoring messages to local cultures. Adapting communication styles and messages to align with local cultural norms ensures relevance and resonance with the intended audience, fostering better engagement. Second is utilizing local languages. Incorporating local languages can significantly enhance understanding and trust among community members, demonstrating respect for their cultural identity. Third is engaging with community leaders. Collaborating with local influencers can facilitate communication process and provide valuable insights into community values and expectations. Local communication strategies are vital for navigating multicultural landscapes effectively. Tailoring communication to resonate with local cultures creates more meaningful connections. Additionally, using local languages signals respect and promote inclusiveness, while leveraging community leaders can provide critical contextual understanding. Next is global communication strategies. Number 1 is standardization versus adaptation. Determining when to standardize messages for efficiency versus when to adapt them for cultural sensitivity is a critical aspect of successful global communication. Number 2 is leveraging technology for global reach. Digital communication technologies can bridge distances and create instantaneous interactions, making it essential to integrate these tools into global communication strategies. And last is cross-cultural training for teams. Providing training in cultural awareness equips teams with the skills needed to navigate complex global interactions respectfully and effectively. Global communication requires delicate balance between standardization and adaptation, while a consistent message can offer clarity. It must also be culturally sensitive to avoid pitfalls. Leveraging technology enables organizations to connect and communicate across vast different distances effortlessly. Moreover, investigating in a cross-cultural training enhances team readiness to engage effectively across diverse cultural terrains. Now that we already identified the barriers, formulated the strategies, we will now tackle the future trends in multicultural communication. Looking forward, it is vital to stay ahead of trends in multicultural communication. Innovations in technology promises to facilitate cross-cultural interactions in unprecedented ways, while globalization continuously interweaves cultural narratives. Additionally, cultural dynamics are not static. They evolve, and understanding these shifts will be pivotal for future success in communication. The first trend is the emerging technologies. Technological advancements such as artificial intelligence and machine learning will continue to reshape communication by providing tools that enhance understanding and interaction across cultures. Next is the globalization effects. As globalization progresses, the world becomes an interconnected tapestry of cultures, necessitating the adaptable and innovative communication strategies. And the last is the evolving cultural dynamics. Cultural norms and values are in state of flux. Understanding these dynamics will be essential for future dialogue and effective communication in diverse settings. Now, to summarize this lesson, we come to the point that the discussion on multicultural communication highlights key insights, including the importance of understanding cultural differences, overcoming communication barriers, and implementing effective strategies. Practical recommendations emphasize the need for professionals to adopt culturally aware communication techniques to foster collaboration and inclusivity. Additionally, continuous learning is essential for adapting to evolving multicultural environments. And now, as we conclude this, in an increasingly globalized world, mastering multicultural communication is crucial for building strong relationships and reducing misunderstandings. By embracing cultural awareness, applying effective strategies, and committing to lifelong learning, individuals can enhance their communication skills and successfully navigate diverse cultural contexts. That concludes my report on multicultural communication. Thank you for your time and attention. Goodbye!